Good morning students, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to learn an interesting part of our lesson, that is energy. Do you know students what is energy? Yes, energy means power. Yes or no? Without power, can you do any work? No, we cannot do work. So energy means what? So energy means the ability to do work. If you want to do work, you need energy. Without energy, we cannot do work. Even machine also cannot do work without energy. For example, whatever the things are there at home, for example, fan, television, washing machine, mixer grinder, these all devices require energy. And do you know which kind of energy they require? Yes, electrical energy. So all these devices, without electrical energy, they cannot work. Yes or no? One more example, vehicles. Do you know? Two-wheeler, four-wheelers. These vehicles require petrol and diesel to get the energy. Without petrol and diesel, these machines are wasteless. Means we cannot use that machine without petrol and diesel. So same way the energy is very important. And how we get this energy? So we get energy from food, sun, wind, water, plants. These are the sources of energy. First example, I will explain food. See, every day we eat food. Are you eating food? Yes. So every day we eat the food to get the energy, because different kinds of systems work in our body, and these systems require energy to work continuously 24 hours. Yes or no? And to run this system, our body requires energy, and that energy we obtain or we get from the food. Yes? Same way, sun. Plants also belongs to living things. So they also require their own food. So they prepare their own food with the help of light, water and CO2. So that sunlight is used to make their own food. So this way the plants make their own food and they get the energy to perform the different activities. Okay, like transportation, evaporation, like this. Then wind. Wind is one kind of energy that we use that energy to create or to generate the electricity with the help of windmill. So that we will discuss later. Now see, so we get the energy from food, sun, wind, water, plants are all sources of energy. So sometimes if the question is there, what are the different sources of energy? So you can write these are the sources of energy, which are sun, wind, water, plants, etc. Now we will see the different types of energy. Now see, there are different types of energy like mechanical energy, wind energy, hydroelectric energy, sound energy, light energy, this all those students, kinetic energy, potential energy. Now all these different kinds of energy we are going to learn one by one. Now first we will start with the mechanical energy. Now mechanical energy is what? Mechanical energy means energy that an object has because of its position or its movement is called mechanical energy. One more time, you can see, one more time I am going to repeat this definition. Energy that an object has because of its position or movements is called mechanical energy. So you can highlight this definition and can prepare as it is. Now there are two types of mechanical energy. Mechanical energy divided into two types. First one is kinetic energy and second one is potential energy. You can note down, students, or you can highlight. There are two types of mechanical energy. First one potential energy and second one kinetic energy. Now what is mean by potential energy? What is mean by kinetic energy? So kinetic energy means energy which is moving object possesses. Energy which a moving object possesses. Moving object, you know. Do you know car? Moving car on a road. So that car possesses which kind of energy, student? Yes, kinetic energy. Moving water possesses which kind of energy? Kinetic energy. Yes, very good. So kinetic energy means energy which a moving object possesses is called kinetic energy. Those objects are moving. All these objects have which kind of energy? Kinetic energy. Correct. Now second one, the energy which is stored. Energy of position is called potential energy, or simply you can keep in mind stored. The energy which is stored is called potential energy, or stored energy is called potential energy. Now example is, do you know dam water? Yes. Dam water, do you know, students? So dam water is stored at one place. So that dam water possesses which kind of energy? Yes, absolutely correct. The stored dam water possesses potential energy, means stored energy. That water is not moving. It is at one place for a long time. Yes or no? So that stored water possesses which kind of energy? Yes, potential energy. But the water stored behind, but when it falls from a height, see here, stored dam water possesses potential energy, but when it falls from a height, the energy gets converted into kinetic energy, because that stored water started moving. So when it starts moving, so it possesses which kind of energy? Kinetic energy. So potential energy converted into kinetic energy. When the water was stored in the dam, so it was having potential energy. But when it starts moving, suddenly that potential energy converted into, yes, kinetic energy. Okay, students? So this is about the energy, and today we have finished the mechanical energy. In that we have completed two types of mechanical energy. First one is potential energy and second one is the kinetic energy. Okay, students? Potential energy means stored energy. Those objects are having the stored energy, and kinetic energy means those objects are moving. That objects possesses kinetic energy. Is it clear, students? So today we will stop here. Remaining part will continue in our next video.